Hey everybody, how's it going? So I seen on another channel they had the EZRED KWP2s vent head needle nose pliers, so too, and they were $19. So I picked them up. They were on Jeff's Garage Adventures, and here's one of them. My first thought is, well, the handle is just too small. But this is the short nose, so I get it. To me, they're not comfortable. They're just way too small. The nose on the short ones is actually good. It is a tight nose, so I will use these, in the pit where I don't, have to have them in my hand very long type thing normally. The teeth are mediocre. Got some nice little teeth on them. But like I said, they're going in the pit, so they are what they are. I did use them a little bit just to see if I was going to like them or not. The long needle nose now. Belt nose. I really don't have nothing to say good about these things besides the handles. Here's the tips. The tips are just way off. And they're just loose. And I don't mean a little loose. I mean a lot loose. That's, every bit of 3/16 plus. The handles are comfortable on these, but I don't think the tip's going to hold up. Now again, they're $19, so they are going in the pit. I wish, and maybe because these are short ones, that's the reason why they're so stiff on the tips, and the little tips line up so damn good. See if I can get that in focus for you. And they're tight. These, not so much. I wish these handles were on these, for sure. I wish these were tight as these. And it may be just a defect in the milling. And maybe whoever put them together. These are not bad. They're actually kind of comfortable. But the tips are so bad in them, I think they're just going to break. I can see these been around for a little bit. But that's my 2 cents on these. Are they worth $19? If this pair here is worth $19 to you, then yes. The original price is $28. This is not worth $28 to me at all. I honestly do not see these being around very long. They're cheap. They're real cheap made. They have no. I think they could have seriously put a little more effort in what these are, and it may be that it's too damn cheaply made to have a decent tip. I have Tractor Supply pliers that are better on the job, and they're the pistol grip long nose needles that were literally $12 at Tractor Supply for a pair of needle nose and a regular pair of pliers in a set. So again, that was $12 at Tractor Supply. At least I think it was 12. I know it was under 20. They don't have per se the short pair of needle noses in the set. It just has the long pair which are also a finer tip, but I just think they're going to break. I think they're going to twist up on you if you try to put any pressure on them. But that's my review. Later, folks.